I've only posted 8 videos on this channel and none have reached 2,000 views. But after watching this video, I'm hopeful for a change. The content creator reveals secrets to increasing viewer retention and engagement. Let's see if it works.
Thumbnails look broadly similar. It's very rarely the thumbnail. It just tends to be the title. If
I could tell looking at your videos, you're a thumbnail man.
Yeah, I am.
Someone artistic.
Definitely the
Let's dive into the editing secrets Isaac used to skyrocket his video views. After watching this, you'll learn everything needed to create a similar style. Stick around to the end for secret editing tips that'll boost your views and earnings. I won't recreate Isaac's exact style, but I'll show you how to create a similar type of video. So, let's start and create visual appealing thumbnails that entice viewers to click like Isaac.
Listen to this.
Most all of them, even my thumbnails, follow these lines at the core. Well, you might know the rule of thirds.
This is how you can make rule of thirds animations, like Isaac using only Create Studio to start a new project with a ratio of 9:16.